Okay, for this video we're going to be talking about scientific notation. And scientific notation is a number is expressed in scientific notation when it is written as the product of a number and a power of 10. So there's some important things to remember that we need, and there's three things. So the first thing we need is a number between 1 and 10. That's our first piece. Our second piece is that multiplication sign, so that x in the middle. And our third piece is our exponent, so our 10 to a power. So let's say power. Or a power of 10. So first we need to find the decimal. If we don't know where the decimal is, it's at the end. So our decimal is right here. We need to figure out how many loops we need to get a number between 1 and 10. So 1, 2, well let's think, is 46 between 1 and 10? No, so we need another loop. So we have 4.6 times 10 to the what power? So we had 1, 2, 3 loops. And this is a really big number, so it's going to be a positive exponent. So our answer is 4.6 times 10 to the 3. Now for this one, we need to get a number between 1 and 10. First we need to find our decimal. Right here, we're going to count our loops. So 1, 9.3 is between 1 and 10. So our new number, we need to write it, is 9.3 times 10 to the what power? Let's count our loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this number, is it really big or really small? It's really small, so our number is going to be negative. Remember, if we have a really big number, our exponent is going to be positive. If we have a really small number, our exponent will be negative. So now we have 4,670. If we don't know where the decimal is, or we can't see it, it's at the end. We need to figure out how many loops we need to make this a number between 1 and 10. Well, if we're here, we have 467, that's not between 1 and 10. Now we have 46.7, that's not between 1 and 10 yet. Now we have 4.67, and that's between 1 and 10. So we're going to rewrite our new number, 4.67 times 10 to the, how many loops do we use? 1, 2, 3. And it's a really big number, so our exponent will be positive. So our answer is 4.67 times 10 to the third power. Now I want you to go ahead and do 4, 5, and 6 on your own. Remember, if a number is really big, you're going to have a positive exponent. If your number is really small, you're going to have a negative exponent. Go ahead and pause the video, hit play when you're ready to check your answers. Okie dokie, so we are on number 4, and we need to make it a number between 1 and 10. So how many loops do we need? So we're at 5.67. 5.67 is between 1 and 10, so we just write our new number. So 5.67 times, because we need our multiplication sign, to a power. How many loops do we draw? 4. And is this a really big number or a really small number? It's a really small number, so our exponent will be negative. Number 5, let's check that one. How many loops do we need to make it a number between 1 and 10? We have 3.4 is our new number, because 3.4 is between 1 and 10, times 10 to the, how many loops do we use? 1, 2, 3. And this is a really small number, so our exponent will be negative. If we can't see the decimal, it's at the end. We need 1, 2, 634, it's not between 1 and 10, so we need to keep going. 63.4, still not between 1 and 10. Now we have 6.34, that's between 1 and 10. So 6.34 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 to the fourth power. And this is a really big number, so our exponent will be positive. Okay, let's look at the other side. Now we need to go from scientific notation to standard form. So what I like to do is look at my exponent first. And it's telling us that it's negative 2. And I think about my number line and how negative numbers are on the left side and positive numbers are on the right side. So if it's a negative number, I'm going to go to the left. And how many spaces am I going to go? What does our exponent tell us? 2. So 2 spaces to the left. So 1, 2. this is where our new decimal is at. So we need to write our new number. This isn't our answer yet. So 0.018 placeholder is our answer to the scientific notation, or the standard form of this number. So number 2, we have 5.63 times 10 to the 6th power. I'm going to rewrite our number to make it easier to see. How many loops do we need to draw? What's our exponent telling us? It's telling us 6 loops, and it's positive, so we're going to go to the right 6 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now this is not our answer yet. We need to rewrite it as, add your commas in, go 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma, 5,630 is our answer. Okay, let's do one more. We have 7.4 times 10 to the 3rd power. That power is positive, meaning we're going to go to the right. So we have 7.4. We're going to go to the right 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Write your new number because this is not our answer yet. So we have 7,400 as our answer. I want you to go ahead and do 4, 5, and 6 on your own. Look at the exponents. That's telling us our direction and how many loops we'll need. Please go ahead and hit play when you're done with 4, 5, and 6. Please pause the video. Okay, so number 4, we have 2.72. We need to go 6 spaces to the left because it's a negative exponent. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here's our new decimal. Fill in your zeros. So we have 0.0000272 placeholder. And this is our number in standard form. So we have 1.3. Our exponent is telling us that we're going to the left 4 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fill in your zeros. Our new number is 0.00013. And our last one, we're writing it in standard form. We have 5.08. We're going 7 loops to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Fill in your zeros. Our new number. Add your commas. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 5,080,000 is our answer. Now I want you to remember with scientific notation, if you have a negative exponent, you're going to go to the left. If you have a positive exponent, you're going to go to the right. If you remember those 2 rules, you will be great.